If you want the vise plugged, then they will fill it up with solder mask so you can't see a hole through it as well. And if you want them not covered, then they're left exposed, which is sometimes really good because you can put a oscilloscope probe on the vise or beers. Okay? And then the finished copper, this is how high the copper is going to be. Yeah? How much copper there's actually going to be put on that trace. In the case, again, I would leave it as the default to get the minimum price for your prototype. It's only really going to affect you if you're making really loads of boards or you're looking at impedance control of your traces and that kind of thing. Okay, so based on that, any questions so far? All good. Based on that then, we've chosen our basics here. And what we need to do is we're going to hit this calculator to show the price. And you're going to see that for them to build 5 in 24 hours, they'll charge you $5. So that's $1 a board. Yeah? That's phenomenal. That really is phenomenal price. I mean, wow, it's more than a cup of coffee. The postage is $20, but the boards are $1 each. Okay? So, if I change any of those defaults, let's say all of a sudden I've decided I want a thickness of 0.4, look what's happened to the price. Now it's $86. Yeah? So, I'm quickly going to go back to 1.6 mil. And again, if you make anything out of a standard PCB, that price is going to go up. Also, if your PCB is more than 99.9 mil by 99.9 mil, the price would go up. I'm pretty sure it was 100 mil maximum. It may have come down now, but I'm pretty sure it was. So when you're designing your board, you've got to think about that. There's no point having a massive board and loads of spread out components. You're just going to cost yourself more money. Okay, so when we're happy with that, right, we're going to choose my shipping cost. It's obviously going to be DHL here, and we are going to ship to, here we go, we're going to ship to the United Kingdom.
It was at the top.
At the top. Oh yeah, there it is. Thank you. We ship to the United Kingdom. So we've got $25 of postage, $5 a board. Happy with that, save to cart, yes? I press agree here. Now it's taken me, it wants to see my girders. They have an automated process. When I upload my girders, it will go to their verification facility and they will check my girder files match the information I put in when I set up these, when I answered all these questions for my prototype board. Yeah, so if I've asked for a minimum hole width of 0.3 mil and my girders are shown I have a 0.2 mil hole, it's going to say there's a problem with your files, you need to fix it or change the quote to reflect properly what I've submitted. Yeah, if I've told that my minimum trace width is 6 thou and I put a 4 thou one in there, I'm going to get a DRC check, a design rule check that says there's a problem with your board. Yeah, I'm going to get an exception back. So in this case, look, I've got the Gerber file selected here. I'm going to add my Gerber files. So I can go to the place where I done my zip file, and I'm just going to rename this because I don't want the spaces or anything in there, so I'm just going to call it amp.zip. And now I'm going to drag this amp.zip up into there, and now it's uploaded, and I'm going to submit my order. Okay, this isn't going to cost me anything yet. What's going to happen now is my order is going to go to under review. Yeah, and you can see here that it's being reviewed. I can't pay for it yet because then they want to check what I've put in as my quote going to match my Gerber file. So I need to wait a little bit. Okay. Once it's done, it will move from under review to awaiting payment. Yeah. Here is one you will actually see when it's done that it will change. And I'll be able to view the board that I've uploaded based on their system's interpretation of what I've uploaded. So now we're going to wait for that. Normally it comes back really quickly, unless there's real big problems. So in 5 or 10 minutes time, we'll have another look and then we can